Electrician time. This old house with Dale and Ono.
That's right. I was itchy.
Itchy, itchy.
Yeah, very much, yeah. Got my old hippie hat on, chilling. Got my buddy Dale. Helping our buddy Chris out.
Getting wired.
Yeah.
How to install a fixture. A fixture, a fixture.
And you got la vida, baby. When I cut your fucking hands off for my $100, pussy. That's right. Revolution.
Revolution. Yeah.
Guar, nigga, guar.
Wow, yo. It's going to be an awesome show, dude.
Yeah, I can't wait to watch some bunch.
Awesome show.
Shoot nut all over you, Adam.
Yeah, you know, so it sucked up. Next Saturday's supposed to rain.
So what?
Really?
Yeah, but we got a Suburban now. We're going to be chilling in the Suburban.
Oh, you got that from them?
Yeah, I got.
Yeah, your eyes are going to pop out of your fucking head.
Huh?
All of us. Sean is, all of
Oh
ours.
my God, wait a minute.
It's going to be a crazy show, man. Guar is all about fake cum, blood, and crazy music. It's like
Brother. Here.
like a punk rock. I'll put some shit on there. You'll see.
I got bro.
I need some. Let me have it.
All right.